welcome back to my channel. It has been long I did this kind of video. Well, I just like shopping. Anyway, so this time I'll be talking about most of the things I got from a discount store I saw on Instagram. Please, if you want to save and you don't want to spend money, please avoid Instagram. I've been wondering why people be like, don't go to Instagram. Instagram made me do this, Instagram made me do that. Instagram made me do this. So guys, I'll be leaving the outfit look on the other side and the cutaway, so you guys will see what I'm actually wearing, the full look. So I'm doing a simple colorful outfit, which is this pink dress which I got from Everything £5. I got it during the sales. I'm going to link some similars from Zaful and also from Chicken for you guys to shop down below. Then you can see this earring. I also got it Instagram made me doing so the first thing I'm talking about is this earring. When I'm done introducing my outfit of the day, this is under 1,000 naira. You can see this cheap, beautiful, nice. Then I'm also wearing a red pair of heels, and the outfit going out look, I'm styling it with this red handbag. So I got it 2-in-1 from this sale. The first thing I got is this earring, which I said is under 1,000 naira. Very nice big set of earring. I like the statementy look of this earring. Really chic, really beautiful, very affordable. I got it during the sales. Now it's over 1,000, but now you can see it is kind of heavy though. Kind of heavy when it comes to how it feels on the ear, but it's perfect when you're trying to give a statement look, when you're trying to make your look very elevated. This earring is perfect. This is a very nice evening dress up look, a nice wedding guest earring, you know. If you're looking for what to wear for your O1 base, this is perfect. You can see, have a closer look with the detail. Is what made me actually get it. I couldn't just let it go. So let's get into the other things I got. So this bag I talked about initially in the intro, I got it also from the store. It's a 2-in-1 set, but this red bag, I was so excited. The color was red. Really nice, beautiful. It comes with a strap, which I think I'll do away with. So this is the strap. This is the inner part of the bag. Something I will wear when I'm going for a casual outing, when I'm going for travel and you're trying to go around the cities that you're exploring, because you know you get like, no, I like to travel with this channel. So this bag will be perfect. It's a nice, perfect mini size tote. This one you can also use to pack your toiletries when you want to travel. So if you need a small size bag or a makeup bag, this is perfect as a makeup bag. So I love it because of its versatility. But as a normal regular handbag, sure, you guys see it's given. So I'm still going to wear it as a normal regular clutch or bag, so you can see how perfect it looks like. Very nice with my outfit. So I'll be showing you how it looks together with my outfit of the day. Really perfect color block with red and pink. So if you're looking for inspo on how to color block your outfit, I've done a similar video before, but I'll also do another updated video. You guys should watch out for that. But this is giving, right? So let's go into the perfumes that I got. So I got this during their sales too. It's Victoria's Secret Bombshell Wildflower. I wanted to try it out because I've heard of Victoria's Secret. You guys know it's a luxury brand. I wanted to try them out, so I decided to try them out. And I can say I love the scent. Immediately I tried it. Initially when you spray it on you, you wouldn't smell it until after it sinks into your outfit. That's when it starts giving you this nice serene scent. So if you are such that are looking for something that's very harsh, this is not for you. This is a very mild smell. Very mild. I would say so mild that you could barely tell. It's a very nice sweet smell. That's why I like it. So I got it as a combo deal during their sale. So if you guys want to know the store, I'll also write it down below in the description. So I got it during this day. I got this body mist shimmer royal sweetie, and I love them both. I'm currently using this. Both of them is under 9,000 naira. Both of them. I'm currently using this and I love the smell. You can spray it on your body because it's body spray. This is really perfect. You can also spray it on your outfit. So I like this and the combo, but I prefer this more because of the nice sweet smell. This is also nice though, but both of them, I have to choose between both. I prefer this because of its nice rosy smell, you know. It makes you feel relaxed. That's why I like the smell. So in the process of getting my stuff from them, I don't know why I was kindly gifted this flask, which I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to be using it for particularly. So if you are a 9 to 5, like this is the perfect way to get your tea or your water. It's more like a water bottle. It's not really, will I say it's for it, I've not really tested it out whether I can hold in it, but it's perfect. A perfect water flask, which I love. I think it comes with a filter, I'm not sure. I just got it, so I've not really checked it out. So they also gifted me this smart collection. So if you like smart collection, it comes, they have smart collection in a set, so you can get a set of 6, a set of 8. I'm not really promoting them, but it's something they saw. But I prefer mild smells. I didn't know what smart collection, I didn't even know that smart collection was this ash. So for me, I would say no to this smart collection perfume because I don't like it. It's so rugged. It's so tough. It makes it feel so masculine. But I know some ladies like something tough, and you can actually mix your perfume to give it different smells. So if you, like yesterday when I was going out, I tried out this perfume, White Flower Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I mixed it with my Baccarat Oud body spray, and the perfume, the smell I was getting was quite nice. So I was still thinking of trying to bring different mixtures to see how it's going to look for me. So the other handbag I got, which came as 2-in-1 with the other red bag, is this bag. I've always wanted a tote bag because my tote bag that I used to have had been converted into, you know, as a new mom. Many of them have become baby's bags, so I had to get another tote bag for office, for days where you need to pile in a lot of stuff. You want to carry your work tools, you want to take your notepad, you want to take your laptop. This is a very perfect big size bag, though I was expecting it to be wider to fit in more, so that so if you're carrying a laptop it won't be visible. But yeah, it's still perfect because it can still fit in a lot. I could imagine how many things I fit in even recently into it. I fit in my food, I fit in my water bottle, drink, I won't fit in laptop, and it's perfect. And the weight, you'll be like, this bag is light, but the weight is strong. So to wear this kind of bag, because it doesn't have anything more than just this hook, so I would recommend you have smaller bags that you can fit in your money, because you can have a wallet to put inside it, so your item will not be easily accessible to people that like to dip hands into people's bags. You know what I'm talking about. So I like this nice golden detail because, you know, guys, silver sometimes I'm into it, but gold I love gold, oil snag glitters. So anyway, this is perfect. I love this for the bag. It's very nice for me. So I love that this is a good bag. I got it and I'm very happy to have this bag. So one of the bags I was so excited to have is this, supposed to be a Coach dupe, but I'm not really sure if this is really a Coach dupe. I was like, let me get it. But the reason I actually got this bag is because of the denim trend, because you guys know the girls are into denim. So if you love denim, I'm also going to link down below some of the denims I'm loving from Meshki. Denim is a thing this year, so if you are not jumping on this trend, what are you waiting for? Everybody is going back to the good old days of wearing jeans, you know. So this, I love it. It's perfect, you know. A very nice shoulder bag, and also a mini bag. You can see how nice it looks, you know. I love the bag. It's perfect. My only issue is that if it's going to really be a dupe of a designer brand, I was expecting it to have a lot of similarities, but this is not really close to the real Coach design brand, but it's a dupe for it. So if you guys know the real deal for this Coach, maybe you should comment down below so I can find it out and maybe get it. So I really love this bag. So the other thing I got is this bucket bag. So I don't know why I got it. I just saw that it was affordable and I needed a white bag. So yeah, it's a very nice affordable bag. So I would say maybe I'm a little disappointed because I was expecting the bag to really look buckety, but this is not really giving me bucket. Maybe when I stuff things into it, it's going to give me bucket. So it has its own button here that helps you get out that shape of buckets, and a strap. So if you want a bucket bag, this is really perfect for you. But to me, I just feel it's not giving me that vibe of bucket bag, so that's why I'm not like into it. Though I just recently got it, I've not really worn it, but this is perfect if you want to add the pop of white to your outfit. It's a very nice simple handbag, and you know white is like a neutral, so you don't really have issues when you want to pair whites and blacks with your outfit when it comes to your accessories. So I basically got accessories in this haul and perfume, and I'm loving everything I got so far, especially this earring. The denim bag is also my favorite, and also the tote bag, because mainly I got the tote bag. That's the first thing I wore because I needed a very large bag. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check the description below for denim outfits to shop and all that things. So I'm currently going to work on a blog post on denim outfit ideas, and I really hope you guys check it out, because I always link my blog down below, so I have different content you can check out and where to shop. So till another time, bye guys.
I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.